Let me tell you a story of an incident that happened one day in my company. One day we were debugging, and then suddenly the production environment went blank, and everybody was in a panic mode. We had to debug on the production environment. Now, the senior engineer that was in charge of that particular feature had to debug in front of our boss and other of his colleagues. We were on the call and we were watching this guy debugging. He was making very good progress until the AI that he was using had to reset. You know that thing that happens when you see something like your cloud limit has reached and you have to reset it till this amount of time. You know that stuff that usually shows. So he showed, and this guy was devastated. This guy was under panic mode and he didn't know what to do. Everybody was just like shocked. Some people had to mute their mic and they were like, wow, it has happened. My friends had to chat me up and told me that this guy is cooked. But then after like 30 minutes, he had to go back to his previous mode when he used to use Stack Overflow and everything and debug naturally, and he was able to scale through as God may have it. Now, this guy is a very good software engineer, but the problem is that he relies so much on AI. Now, I'm not saying that you should not use AI for coding. Don't get me wrong. Use AI. I'm also using AI right now. If you look behind me, you're going to see my code, and I'm using AI at the moment. But what I'm basically saying is that you should not rely so much on AI. What if something breaks on the production environment and customers are waiting to make transactions, but you cannot debug it on the fly? What is going to happen? Basically, you just have to know the basics, stay grounded, limit the use of AI, and try as much as possible to push things that will not break in the production environment. That's why you have CI/CD, that's why you have unit tests, you have integration tests and different kind of testing to limit the usage of these AI models and to limit the production environment going down. And you should also have user metrics and logs that can log the issues that you're having on production. That's just basically it. Say what you want to say on the comments. Reach out to me if you want a one-on-one coaching session, and I'm going to reply to you. Peace.